Hello and welcome to ACJ News. I'm Sanskar Tiwari, your host for the day. Today, I'll be talking about the 26th United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change's annual summit Conference of Parties COP26, which is currently being going in Glasgow, Scotland. The conference was delayed by a year due to COVID-19, is being attended by the heads of states, campaigners and experts. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi also attended the conference and represented the nation.
वर्ष 2070 तक भारत नेट जीरो का लक्ष्य हासिल करेगा.
Meanwhile, India is the third biggest emitter of carbon. Besides the 2070 deadline, Modi also announced four other proposals. By 2030, non-fossil energy capacity will be brought to 500 gigawatt. 50% of its energy requirements will be met from renewable sources. Carbon intensity will be reduced by 45% and carbon intensity of the emission will be reduced by 1 billion tons. Like India, several countries have announced measures for coal, methane and deforestation. However, activists around the world are not convinced.
This is no longer a climate conference. This is now a global North greenwash festival. A 2-week-long celebration of business as usual and blah, blah, blah.
Like Thunberg, activists around the world say it's all talk. We have climate activist Deboshmita to tell us more. Thank you Deboshmita for joining us. So Deboshmita, what does it mean to be a carbon neutral state?
So when you say that you're a carbon neutral state, it means that you will not emit any carbon dioxide into the air, which means if you even emit the carbon dioxide, you will cut it or reduce it by planting trees which will absorb the carbon dioxide. So when a country says that it's a carbon neutral state, it means that it does not emit any carbon dioxide into the nature.
Alright. So Deboshmita, do you think the pledge taken by Prime Minister is vague or explicit in nature?
Firstly, Mr. Modi took the pledge to cut down on go carbon neutral by 2070, which is 2 decades later than all the other nations and a decade later than China. So firstly, India is a developing country, so either it will have to choose its development or its carbon neutrality. It can't go both hand in hand. So instead of development, either you'll have to choose being a carbon neutral state or development. Both can't go hand in hand.
Well, it looks like India has a long way to go. This is Sanskar Tiwari signing off for ACJ News. Stay tuned for more updates.